Hello all, welcome back to our channel. So students, in this video we are going to quick revise of e-commerce subject. So e-commerce is of BCom computer application students and 50 marks paper, 2 hours is the time duration. Okay, in this video I will discuss about the what are the gunshot questions and Damnsure questions for the tomorrow's examination. Okay, so previously I do have uploaded important questions video as well as the paper presentation, especially paper presentation. I will mention the links in comment box, so please do check out that. It will be useful to you all. Okay, it will be useful to you to score or grade in this subject. Okay, basically it's a generalized subject, students. Okay, so in this video we will gonna quick revise about the subject of e-commerce. So from first unit, what are the main three important questions? In every unit I will give only 3 or 2 questions, that's it. Okay, so the first one is applications of e-commerce. Application of e-commerce is the first important question. What are the different types of e-commerce applications we are having? What is mean by e-commerce? E-commerce stands for electronic commerce, where buying and selling of goods and services through online is called e-commerce. So in that, various applications will be like for example, e-learning. E-learning means Zoom, Byju's, and some other related quiz. This type of apps we will find in our social media. So what type of that applications? App means application only. No, what type of application it is? It is a learning application. E-learning, electronic learning. E-entertainment. E-entertainment means you will get YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, anything entertainment related electronic application. So that is to be e-shopping. We will shop online shopping. No, e-shopping also is a application of e-commerce like Meesho, Flipkart, Amazon, this type of things. So this type of things you will have. Okay, and also you will have e-auction also. Okay, so this is the first thing. And the types of e-commerce, this is the second most important question. What are the different classification or types of e-commerce we are having? Business to business e-commerce, business to consumer e-commerce, consumer to consumer e-commerce. Consumer to consumer e-commerce, for example, OLX, where one consumer is interacting with another consumer. So this type of e-commerce we are having. Total 6 types of e-commerce we will have, students. Okay, so the third important question is advantages and limitations of e-commerce. This is also an important question. Advantages, what are the different types of advantages we are having through electronic commerce, and what are the different disadvantages we are having? What are the advantages means? Less pollution we will have, because no one will go out work from home shopping like that. They will sit in their home only, and they will do shop everything. Okay, they will learn, they will shop, they will everything they can do. So that is called pollution. Means it will increase the lack of pollution, right? So this type of things you will have in this advantages and disadvantages of e-commerce. These are the main 3 important questions of from unit number 1 in electronic commerce. Okay, students, now we will discuss about the unit number 2. In unit number 1 you will have a fourth important question is 3 pillar of e-commerce. These are the 4 important questions. This is also an important question. So out of these 4 questions, try to learn any 3 questions, that will be enough. What are the 3 pillars we will have for electronic commerce? These are the 4 important questions, students. Now we will discuss about the second unit in e-commerce. Okay, first unit 4 questions I have given, that 4 is enough, or else in that any 3 you can learn, your wish. Okay, from second unit the first important question is data encryption technique. Data encryption technique. What are the different types of encryption techniques to save data? 2 types we will have, symmetric and asymmetric. In symmetric we will use only one key, where one key is used to open the data. In asymmetric means different 2 keys, different keys we will use, public data and private key. Like this type of things you will have, learn that answer. And the second important question in unit number 2, first is data encryption techniques, students. This is an important question. And the second one is types of protocols. This is also an important questions. What are the different types of protocols is we are having? Okay, IP protocol, TCL protocol, this type of HTTP protocol, HTTPS protocol, hypertext transfer protocol, structured hypertext transfer protocol. This type of protocols we will have. This is the second important question. As it is a 8 marks question, you should write side by side 2 pages must and should, because many of the students were asking how many sides we are having. We should write like that. So for 8 marks answer, 2 sides is must and should. For 2 marks, 5 to 6 lines is enough, students. That will be more than enough. So, and the third important question from unit number 2 is architectural framework. This is the third important question from unit number 2. Architectural framework of e-commerce. This is the most important. So these 3 questions are the damn sure questions. Okay. So from unit number 3, what are the important questions we are having? Means from unit number 3, EPS, that is electronic payment system. Electronic payment system. What are the different types of electronic payment systems we are having? NEFT, RTGS, and debit card, credit card. This type of things you will have electronic payment system. Try to explain about that. Okay, so this is an important question. And the next one is mercantile process model. Mercantile process model, you will have 2 types, students: consumer perspective, merchant perspective. If they ask mercantile process model in consumer perfect means, you should write only this answer. If they ask mercantile process model from mercantile process means, you should only write this answer. If they ask only mercantile process means, you should explain both. Okay, students, I hope you got the clarity. So after this video, I will explain the whole subject explanation video also. So try to watch that, like computerized accounting, how I have given my notes, like that type of only notes I will give for this subject also, because it will be useful to you all. Okay. And the third important question is consumer oriented e-commerce. This is the third important question from unit number 3 in e-commerce. Consumer oriented e-commerce. What is mean by consumer oriented e-commerce? And mercantile process model and electronic payment system. These are the 3 most important questions from unit number 3. So now we will discuss about the unit number 4. That is, the first important question is types of EDI. EDI stands for electronic data interchange. Electronic data interchange. What are the different types of we are having of electronic? And the next one is applications of EDI. Applications of, this will be mostly useful for short marks. Okay, sometimes they will ask for long also. Applications of EDI. The last important question is legal security and privacy in EDI. These 3 important questions. Okay, students, these 3 important questions. Out of this 3, pakka 1 question will come. If you are lucky means 2 questions will get repeated. Whatever the 3 questions we am discussing in each unit, that will come pakka. Okay, so try to learn these 3 questions. Okay, types of EDI, applications of EDI, legal security and privacy in electronic data interchange. Now we will discuss about the 5th unit, students. Okay, here advantages and disadvantages of e-marketing. Advantages and disadvantages of e-marketing. 5 P's: product, price, place, okay, production. This type of 5 P's you will have. You should explain each and every P. Okay, that is 5 P's organization. And the third one is types of e-marketing. What are the advantages and disadvantages of electronic marketing? What are the 5 P's? Okay, and the third one is types of e-marketing. Okay, sorry, e-marketing. What are the different types of e-marketing we will have? Like email ID, spam messages, Okay, these are all types of marketing, okay, to interact, to attract the customers, to attract the persons. This is from the 5th unit. So if you want only passing marks in this subject, means passing marks is 18. So if you want only pass marks in this subject, means try to learn any 3 units which I have given in this video, important questions, that will be enough. Not only passing marks, you can score about 25 marks if you learn 3 units, whatever the questions I have given. Okay, try to learn these 3 questions, especially 5 P's and advantages and disadvantages, advantages, no, 5 P's and types of e-marketing. These are the most important. And from unit number 4, types of EDI and legal security and privacy. And from unit number 3, mercantile process model and consumer oriented e-commerce. And from unit number 2, data encryption technique, and whatever you are having, architectural framework you are having. Okay, that too is important. From unit number 1, 3 pillars of e-commerce, types of classification of e-commerce, and the third one is what I have discussed, I'm only forgetting about that. Okay, so that too is important. 3 level e-commerce as well as types of e-commerce. Advantages is not that much important, and whatever the other question I have given, that is important. Okay, so try to learn this most important questions, try to learn each and every answer perfectly. You will definitely score O grade if you follow my questions. Okay, so all the very best for your preparation and examination. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to our channel and share with all your friends and groups. Okay, because this is the last examination, students. Many of the students will get neglect in this subject because as it is the last exam, students, you will be in a chill mode, right? So don't do like that. E-commerce is a generalized subject as well as the toughest subject if you don't prepare. Okay, so whatever the important questions I have given, that will be enough to score O grade or to get pass marks in this subject also. Okay, all the very best. And many of the students are seeing our videos because I'm getting about 25k 30k views, but the subscribers is only 13k. What is this? Now time is around 2 a.m. Today time is 21st December 2 a.m. Okay, so if you want to see, means you can see, but I think it is not visible. 2 a.m. students. Now I am doing all these videos because I am getting a thing that many of my subscribers, many of my students were saying that Akka, in examination centers everyone is watching your videos only. Because I am only getting surprised because I am getting that many views, but people are why people are not subscribing to our channel. I don't know why. It should be known by your soul only. So I will not interact about that. Okay, so it's up to you. If you think that this channel is worthy, if you think that this channel content is useful, then only do like, share and subscribe. No forcefulment, nothing. I will help to all the students who is not subscribed to our channel also. Okay, so all the very best for your examination preparation, and do comment me after completing this e-commerce exam how your question paper was. Okay, and all the very best. Thank you so much, students.